Shut up and sit down.
Hey, it's the Deaf Man coming at you from Deaf Man Vinyl World Headquarters in McKaysville, GA. And if you're ever in the Atlanta-ish area, I hope you'll stop by. And right now I wanted to talk with you about how to protect your records. So hopefully you've caught our videos on how to clean your vinyl, and you now have a nice clean record, no dust, no smudges, no schmutz in the grooves. And so we're going to take a few simple steps to keep those records looking good and sounding great. So let's start with this bad boy. This is a well-used inner sleeve. Over the years, it's attracted its share of dust, and really the issue with these old inner sleeves is that the paper actually starts to degrade. They start shedding paper fibers, which, again, because of the static nature of a vinyl record, they wind up on the surface of your nice clean record and eventually down in the grooves. Remember, just pulling your record out of the sleeve creates a static charge and turns your record into a dust-sucking magnet. So putting your clean record back into one of these is like lathering up with some nice Irish Springs, taking a hot shower,
Action. This is some fresh scent.
and then putting back on that nasty pair of sweats you've been wearing all week. Yuck. Literally, for pennies, you can slip your record into a fresh new inner liner. So we have these on deafmanvinyl.com, and in the shop you can also pick them up at your local record store. And these are made with what is known as archival quality paper, which is essentially acid-free paper that is designed not to break down over time and shed those nasty fibers. So they come like these with the holes in the middle, but you can also buy solid liners with no hole. Your call. These have rounded corners, which makes it a bit easier, I found, to slip them inside the jacket. Just a note, if you have a collectible record, one that you might want to sell or trade at some point, and it has a distinct inner sleeve, maybe it's something like this with band photos or lyrics or liner notes that you want to keep, don't toss that sleeve. You can set it aside. Sometimes, I'll have both the old sleeve and the new sleeve in the same jacket, sometimes stored inside, sometimes I'll set them off in a closet someplace. So that original liner is certainly part of the value of a collectible record. But again, you don't want to jump into the dirty jeans after your shower. You want a record that has a fresh inner liner. If you want to take it up a step, you can invest in an inner liner with an inner liner. So a paper liner that has a poly liner inside. So these cost a little more than the plain paper liners, but they will absolutely seal out the dust. And they'll also keep down any static as you pull the record out. We've got some heavier duty ones. These black ones are made with an even heavier stock. This is the type that you're getting more and more these days when you buy a good quality new pressing. So something on 180 gram vinyl, they usually come with these nice inner liners that are lined. So if you have a small collection, 25 or 50 records, you can buy a pack of these and easily upgrade your inner liners. I've got a pretty big collection, and I just replace them a couple at a time as I'm cleaning and listening to my records. Okay, so we're going to get that nasty sleeve out of there. That's gone. We're going to use the new archival quality sleeve with the poly liner. And then the final trick is to go ahead and put it in like that with the open end to the top, and then you've closed that final edge, and so you're not leaving your disc open to the environment, you're creating a sealed edge. Theoretically, this is supposed to be 12 by 12 inches square, and it should work either way, but sometimes records just won't go in that way, and that's where the sleeves with the rounded corners sometimes works a little better. So there you have it, a very easy, very inexpensive way to keep your clean record clean. If you have any questions, drop us a comment and be sure to subscribe for more about records and record care. Until next time, keep them spinning.